I tried again today, and nothing changed. I laughed at my own voice because no one else ever will. It's quiet again and I hate it. I hate me. I hate everything that breathes near me. No one to talk to, no one to touch, no one to drag through this filth with me. No one to hear the little jokes that die before they reach my lips. No one to love me, no one to want me, no one that stays, no one that ever even looks. Just the sound of my heartbeat and the emptiness laughing louder. I try and try and try and try and try and try and try, but nothing ever works. It's all rotting, it's all fading. I'm worthless, I'm useless, I'm unloved, I'm garbage. Just kill me, just kill me, just kill me. Put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery. I can't take this, I can't stand it. Why won't it stop? Why won't it stop? You hear that? That's me pretending again. That's me dying again. That's me wishing someone cared enough to end it. I sit in silence until it screams. I beg for someone to remember my name. The walls hum with my failure, the floor sticks with the weight of my hate. No one to hold, no one to see, no one to tell me it's okay. No one to grow old with, no one to even decay with me. Just me. Just me. I'm worthless, I'm useless, I'm unloved, I'm garbage. Just kill me, just kill me, just kill me. Put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery. I can't feel anything anymore. Put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery before I rot through the floor. I hate every mirror, I hate every smile, I hate the light, I hate the silence. I hate what I am, I hate what I've become, and I hate that no one was ever there to stop it. I try and try and try and try and try, but nothing, nothing, nothing ever changes. I wanted someone to hear me, but now I want someone to fear me. I wanted someone to hold me, now I want someone to bleed with me. Every laugh I never had burns holes in my chest. Every smile I never saw turns my face into a wound. I'm worthless, I'm useless, I'm unloved, I'm garbage. Just kill me, just kill me, just kill me. Put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery. I wanna be here, don't wanna exist, don't wanna wake, don't wanna breathe. I'm tired of trying, I'm tired of dying and still being alive. Put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery, put me out of my misery. Until there's nothing left to hate. No one to talk to, no one to laugh with, no one to want, no one to want, no one to even hate me back. Just me and this voice screaming for mercy that never comes.